Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Mama McCrazies. Today we are making fried baked barbecue chicken. Yes, I said fried, baked, and barbecued all in the same sentence. All I did was season the chicken with some Lowry seasoned salt, some garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper. And now we're going to add in some mustard. For the sauce, I'm going to use Sweet Baby Ray's, honey, about a teaspoon of vinegar, and a little bit of water to thin out the sauce because Sweet Baby Ray's is pretty thick. And I fried the chicken, which means that it's going to create like a gravy and thicken up as it bakes in the oven. Also, I wanted to add that I did not fry the chicken until it was done. Almost done, but not all the way done because it's going to cook in the oven. After all of my chicken was coated, I put some foil over it and I baked it in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes, and then I took the foil off and I turned the oven to broil, and I broiled it until it browned. And I'm going to put a picture here at the end. For some reason, I think I'm losing footage because I was just recording and my phone was running out of storage, so I do apologize that you guys did not see me put the foil on it or stick it in the oven, but here it is right here. It was so tender and juicy and falling off the bone.